Good morning guys and welcome to my channel. My mom used to always say that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. And in today's video, I have a recipe inspired by her. For this video, we're going to do a recipe that is a Parsi style recipe that comes from India. But Parsi people are Iranian descent, so this food is really special, and my mom used to make this all the time when I was growing up. This is a super amazing egg dish which is creamy and delicious. So let's go. So the first thing you need to do is finely chop your onions. Then you need to de-seed and chop your tomatoes. And this really helps, so please do de-seed your tomatoes. Next, chop your ginger and your garlic. You could also use ginger garlic paste, a green chili, as spicy as you want or not as spicy as you want, and chop some coriander. Into a pan with oil, saute your ginger and your garlic, toss in your green chili, your onions, and optionally some coriander stem. This adds a good base flavor and the stems do not go to waste. Saute till translucent. Then add in your spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, and turmeric powder. Saute a bit more till you get that nice spice aroma and your spices are cooked. Meanwhile, crack in about 4 eggs. Gentle whisk and into a pan with some butter. And then pour your eggs over. The butter will add a nice creaminess to this recipe, and your eggs will turn out really creamy without adding any cream. Now give it a gentle mix till your butter is nicely melted, and then in with your tomatoes and your coriander leaves. Now I've added the tomatoes towards the end because tomatoes tend to turn this egg recipe more red, and I wanted a more yellow outcome to my eggs. But if you want, you could saute your tomatoes at the beginning. Cook till desired creaminess. If you want it a bit more on the drier side, cook for some more time, but I prefer my eggs nice and creamy. Now, with this, my mom used to normally serve it with toast. So into a pan with some sourdough bread and some butter, I'm just going to gently toast my bread to go along with these beautiful, delicious eggs. You could also throw in a clove of garlic to make a garlic bread, and finish with some coriander. That's the way my mum used to do it. And once you're done with your toast, you're ready to eat your breakfast. Now, as I said, this is a extremely rare recipe in India, and there are very few Parsi people that exist in India. They're of Iranian descent, and this is one of my favorite recipes that my mum used to make. I hope I did her proud. Thank you for watching this video, guys, and I hope you really enjoyed this recipe. Stay tuned for many more recipes to come. If you have any request, don't hesitate to message. Till next time, bon appetit.